Imagine a land so vast it stretches across 11 time zones. Russia. From the icy shores of the Arctic Ocean to the sun-drenched fields near the Black Sea, Russia is a country of breathtaking scale and diversity. It's a tapestry of stories, woven from the frozen north to the warm golden south, each thread telling a different tale. Each region is a world of its own, holding unique secrets, traditions, and landscapes that have shaped its people for centuries. Russia's history flows like a mighty river, winding from ancient tribes and legendary warriors to bustling modern cities, carrying memories and dreams along its banks. You can see it in the golden domes of churches that gleam in the sunlight, and in the sturdy walls of ancient fortresses that have stood for generations. This journey is not just through space, but through time. Each step forward is a step deeper into the layers of Russia's past and present. We'll seek out hidden corners, quiet villages, secret forest clearings, and places where the true spirit of Russia quietly endures. In the smallest details, a villager's warm smile, the intricate patterns carved into a wooden house, Russia's soul reveals itself. Our adventure is a world of clay coming to life. Imagine mountains shaped by ancient giants, rivers that twist like silver ribbons, cities glowing with warmth at dusk, and people whose faces tell stories of hope, struggle, and joy. Let's begin this journey together, venturing into a land ready to share its secrets with those willing to look beyond the surface. Here, past and present coexist in every street and skyline, waiting to be discovered by curious eyes and open hearts. Join us as we explore the heart of this mysterious land, where every journey uncovers a new story, and every story brings Russia to life. Russia's vast taiga forests stretch for miles, a sea of green that seems to go on forever, untouched and wild. These forests are among the largest on Earth, home to countless species and ancient trees that have stood for centuries. Imagine walking through these forests, the air cool and clean, filled with the scent of pine and earth. Every step is cushioned by a soft carpet of moss and fallen needles, and the only sounds are the gentle rustle of leaves and distant bird calls. Sunlight dances through tall trees, creating shifting patterns of light and shadow on the forest floor, as if the woods themselves are alive and breathing. These ancient forests are Earth's lungs, breathing life into the planet, absorbing carbon and giving back fresh oxygen. They are a living memory of the world as it once was. Hidden within these woods lies Lake Baikal, the world's oldest and deepest lake, a true natural wonder that holds more water than any other freshwater lake on the planet. Its clear waters reveal smooth stones far below, and in winter, the lake transforms into a wonderland of intricate ice patterns, sparkling under the pale sun. Beyond the forests, the landscape shifts dramatically to endless steppes, where the horizon stretches unbroken for miles. In spring, wildflowers carpet the ground in a riot of color, painting the steppe with vibrant reds, yellows, and blues. In summer, golden grass sways gently in the warm breeze, creating a sea of gold that ripples under the vast sky. The steppes symbolize freedom, vast under the sky, where wild horses run and the wind carries stories of ancient nomads. The Ural Mountains, gentle and tree-covered, rise quietly, marking the boundary between Europe and Asia, a natural divide that has shaped history and cultures. The Caucasus Mountains, young and dramatic, stand tall and snow-capped, their peaks often hidden by swirling clouds, guarding the southern edge of the land. Each mountain range has its own character, a silent giant watching over the valleys and plains, shaped by time and the elements. These landscapes are places of calm and reflection, where nature's power is felt in the quiet, and every sunrise brings a new sense of wonder. The forests, lakes, steppes, and mountains form a diverse tapestry, each thread adding to the story of this vast and beautiful land. They are a testament to Russia's natural beauty and grandeur, a reminder of the wild places that still exist in our world. Few venture into these hidden wonders, where peace reigns and the outside world feels far away, replaced by the gentle rhythm of nature. The land's spirit is found in these quiet, majestic places, where every breeze and ray of light tells a story of resilience and harmony. Discover the beauty of Russia's landscapes, where nature's secrets lie hidden in shadow and light, waiting for those who seek them. A journey through these wonders reveals the heart of this vast land, a place where the spirit of nature endures, wild and free. Russia's cities are jewels scattered across the vast and varied landscape, each one shining with its own unique character and history. From the western borders to the far reaches of Siberia, These urban centers are more than just places on a map, they are living stories, shaped by centuries of culture, conflict, and creativity. Moscow, the heart of Russia, pulses with energy day and night. Its wide boulevards and bustling squares are alive with people, music, and the rhythm of modern life, all set against a backdrop of grand architecture and deep tradition. The Kremlin's red walls and golden domes stand central, a symbol of power and endurance. Here, history and politics intertwine, and every stone seems to echo with the footsteps of the past. St. Petersburg, a city of canals and palaces, feels like a dream brought to life. Its elegant bridges and pastel facades reflect in the water, creating a cityscape that has inspired poets, artists, and dreamers for generations. Beyond these capitals, cities like Suzdal and Vladimir offer quiet charm and a slower pace. Their cobbled streets and ancient buildings invite visitors to step into a world where time seems to move more gently. These towns, with their white stone churches and peaceful lanes, feel like stepping back in time. Here, the echoes of old Russia linger in every bell tower and snowy square. Irkutsk, near the legendary Lake Baikal, is often called the Paris of Siberia. Its intricate wooden houses, adorned with delicate carvings, tell stories of resilience and artistry in the face of harsh winters. Kaliningrad, perched on the Baltic Sea, blends German and Russian influences in its architecture and culture. This city stands as a bridge between worlds, where East meets West in unexpected ways. Each city tells its own story, revealing Russia's incredible diversity. From ancient fortresses to modern skylines, every place has a voice and a spirit all its own. Hidden gems and unique histories await discovery in every corner. Some cities are famous, while others are quiet secrets waiting for curious travelers to uncover their wonders. Exploring these cities shows the incredible variety of Russian life, from the cosmopolitan to the quaint, from the historic to the cutting edge. From grand capitals to quiet towns, each place has its own beauty and its own rhythm, offering something special to every visitor. The cities are a testament to Russia's rich cultural tapestry, woven from many threads: history, art, faith, and the daily lives of millions. Discover the stories and charm of Russia's urban landscapes, where every street and skyline invites you to look closer and find something new. In Russia's south, the Caucasus Mountains hold ancient secrets. Few venture into hidden valleys where life remains unchanged. Dargovs, the city of the dead, is a peaceful, mysterious place. The Caucasus people are known for hospitality and strong traditions. In Dagestan, diverse ethnic groups share unique customs. Sulak Canyon, deeper than the Grand Canyon, is a hidden wonder. Ancient towers in Ingushetia and Chechnya stand as symbols of resilience. Exploring these corners is like discovering a lost world. The Caucasus is a land of high mountains and incredible human spirit. In Russia's villages, life moves to a different, gentler rhythm. Traditional wooden izbas showcase intricate and beautiful wood carvings. Community is the heart of village life, with neighbors always helping each other. Gardens flourish in summer, preparing for winter's many challenges ahead. Traditions thrive here, with folk songs, dances, and handmade crafts. Winters are harsh, but resilience and joy always prevail. Villages offer a glimpse into a life deeply connected to nature. It's a life of quiet strength and enduring, timeless beauty. Discover the simple, inspiring life of Russia's peaceful villages, a world where tradition and community create a truly unique tapestry. Russia's wilderness is a kingdom of diverse wildlife. The Siberian tiger, the largest cat, roams the snowy forests. Brown bears fish for salmon in Kamchatka's rivers. Polar bears hunt seals on the Arctic's icy plains. Saiga antelope and Baikal seals add to the unique fauna. Reindeer migrate across the tundra, guided by the Nenets. Eagles soar over the Caucasus. Birds fill the wetlands. Russia's biodiversity is a vital part of its allure. The animal kingdom is a reminder of nature's wonders. Discover the incredible wildlife that calls Russia home, a land where each creature plays a part in nature's story. Our journey through Russia reveals its many secrets. From forests to cities, mountains to villages, each place is unique. Russia's beauty lies in its contrasts and diversity. It's a land of ancient traditions and modern innovation. Exploring Russia is a constant surprise, rewarding curiosity. This journey invites us to explore with open eyes and hearts. Hidden gems await discovery, not just in Russia but everywhere. The world is full of wonder, waiting to be found. Russia's story is unending, with endless valleys and stories. The journey leaves us with wonder and a desire to see more. Discover the incredible mysterious heart of this immense land.